Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to do unboxing video. I got some pieces from this collection. I'm gonna try it for you guys. So the first one I'm going to talk about is this t-shirt. Can you guys see the t-shirt? It's the strip color and the price is, how much is it? It's 13 pounds. Let me try it for you. So the reason why I like it is because here is like unsymmetrical design. Here you see the front is shorter, the back side is like longer here. So it has some detailing. Here is, I wish here is a little bit shorter, but you can always do it by yourself, you know. Because I want my arms to look longer, so I prefer to wear like short sleeve like this. And the second piece I'm going to talk about is this coat. I think it's block wing coat maybe, but this one is way more expensive. It's more like 130 pounds, but it's definitely worth the price. It's definitely worth the price. It's really nice. The texture, the fabric is really nice. I think waterproof. Yes, you can wear this one when it's raining outside. You can wear this one when it's raining outside. And there's a hat attached to it. You can like, and you just wear a bag, which is really nice. It's really cool, right? Let's take it off. It's really nice, huh? But it's just like really thin, so I'm afraid it will be too cold if I wear outside now, as London is like super cold recently. And the reason I like this coat, oh my god, it's easy to get dirty. Shit. It's like here, and inside is really well made. See? It definitely worth the money. So this is the second piece, which I definitely recommend you buy it. This is size M. I'm 170 centimeters tall. So if you are taller than me, you may get the larger size, or if you are shorter than me, you might get the S size. So the next piece is this one. Yes, it's this striped shirt. I'm gonna have to try it. I really like the color. It's like shiny, which is perfect for summertime. Yeah, I plan to wear this one in summer. Otherwise it will be too cold. This color really stunning, right? And the quality is really nice. It's made in China. Yeah, everything's made in China. This one, how much? I cannot remember. This one's 20 pounds, which is not that expensive. For this quality, it's actually a really cheap price. I'm surprised for the quality, you know. So this is the third one. Next one is this white t-shirt. You know, when I moved to London, I didn't bring any white t-shirts, so I suppose I should buy a white t-shirt since they have a new collaboration. This one is 13 pounds, which is so cheap, and the quality is like Burberry shirts. I used to have a white Burberry t-shirt. It's like same quality, you know. So I was surprised, which I could guess so good quality t-shirts with that price. This one is size S. You know, you always need a white t-shirt because you can actually wear anything with this one. This is a jacket I recently got from Zara, which is really nice because here you can see here's the knitwear and wear with another kind of fabric. It's really unique design. The design is really nice. But you can actually wear it with a white t-shirt. It's really right. Next one I'm going to show you is this long sleeve shirt. Long sleeve t-shirt, yeah. The color is gray. I think gray will look like really nice. If your skin color is really light, it will make you look really, you know, high-end. The quality is really nice. It's not cheap at all. And here you see the unique design. It's like it looks like normal, but actually there are some designs in it, which is really classic. As you know, Hermes is really classic. It's not as dramatic design as like Balenciaga or those street fashion brands, but it's still really unique. It's like timeless piece, you know. You can wear it anytime. You can wear it next year or year after year. It will be okay. And this one, forgive me please. This one is like 35 pounds. 35 pounds for this one. Check it. So the last one I'm going to show you is the white shirt, because I always need a white shirt. I don't have a white shirt in my closet. That's why I bought this one, and the fabric is really smooth. It's 100% of cotton, but it's really smooth. It's like silk actually. It feels like silk, but with a much cheaper price. 25 pounds for this shirt. I don't know if it's like, yeah, I think it's a little bit big for me. But well, it's already size S, but I don't know what I can do with it. But it looks really nice on my body. Check the quality here, check the lines, it's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice, right? So, yeah, and there's a pocket here. So this is today's video, and I hope you guys are enjoying this one. If you have anything that you want from my collection, you might check the Uniqlo's website. You can order it from there, or you can go to a Uniqlo store, but I don't know if they have any more, and it's really popular, so you better hurry. Yeah, this is not advertisement, it is purely like my sharing, you know. Love you guys, bye bye.